In this video, you'll learn how to get the database ID from Notion. This process involves several straightforward steps, allowing you to easily access the unique identifier for your database. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, enter quote notion.so quote into your web browser's address bar and press enter. Once the Notion homepage loads, you will see a clean interface with options to sign in or create a new account. If you are already a user, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials when prompted and proceed to log in. After successfully signing in, you will be directed to your Notion workspace. To create a new database, locate the option to add a new page. This can typically be found in the left sidebar. Click on the plus new page button to open a blank page where you can begin your database setup. Next, select the database option from the menu that appears. You may find this option listed among various templates. Once you click on database, a selection of database formats will be presented. Choose the format that suits your needs, such as table, board, or list. After selecting your preferred database format, you will need to name your database. For example, you might name it Tasks Tracker. Once you've entered the name, click on the Continue button to proceed. This action will create your database and prepare it for further customization. Once the database is created, click on the Done button to finalize the setup. You should now see your newly created database in the workspace. To obtain the database ID, click on any blank space within the page where your database is located. This will ensure that you are viewing the correct URL in your browser's address bar. At this point, look at the URL displayed in your browser. The database ID is the string of characters that appears after quote notion.so/quote and ends before the. Carefully highlight this section of the URL and copy it to your clipboard. Make sure to double check that you have selected the entire ID without any extra spaces. Now decide where you would like to paste the copied database ID. You can place it in a note, a document, or anywhere else that is convenient for your use. After selecting your desired location, click to position your cursor and paste the ID. This can typically be done by right-clicking and selecting Paste or using the keyboard shortcut Control+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Finally, click on a blank space again to ensure that your changes are saved. This action will help you avoid any accidental data loss. You have now successfully retrieved and pasted your Notion database ID ready for any further integrations or use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. And catch you in the next tutorial.